I'm here with the Gaomon PD1161 versus the Wacom Cintiq in this unboxing video, so you can see what's in the box and what those differences are. So the Wacom Cintiq is a lot bigger. It's hard to get that completely on screen, but the box is very, very cool. And then the Gaomon is just a little bit simpler with this plastic inserts, but everything is packaged quite nicely there. So the Gaomon has a very large power supply, and the pen is also very, very nice. It's very light to the touch. Then it's packaged in, well, like this soft material here instead of just a little bit plastic, and the screen is a lot larger, as you can see. You also have some cool buttons on the Gaomon, which is also nice. But the Wacom Cintiq, it has an integrated stand, so you can, well, pull those out and tilt it a bit, which is very, very nice. Both only work with your laptop or your computer with the cable connected, so that's the only way to turn them on.